Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Kuku Paka. For those who don't know, Kuku Paka is an East African recipe which basically means grilled chicken served in a coconut sauce. The name Paka comes from the verb Kupaka, which basically means to apply or to coat. So in regard to this recipe, we are going to be coating the chicken in this beautiful, delicious coconut sauce. Start by trimming off excess fat. You don't have to remove everything. Actually, you can just leave it if you prefer. And I will say keep it skinless and bone in. You can use other cuts of chicken such as chicken breasts if you prefer. But if you want to keep it as authentic as possible, then bone in is the way to go. So make slits on the chicken and then add the marinade ingredients. I am going to list the ingredients in the description box below. So add everything in and then give it a good mix. I also like to add some oil just to help everything bind together. Cover this, transfer to the fridge and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes for best results overnight. Next, set a pot or pan on the stove top under medium heat. Add your cooking oil, sliced onions, and tomato paste. You want the onions to be only slightly fragrant but not burnt. Just giving this a good mix and we're good to go. Next we're going to add in the salt, ground cumin and coriander, turmeric, garlic and ginger, and then give it a good mix. A recipe tip, don't use too much oil at this point because coconut cream already has oil. Next, stir in the lemon juice and the coconut cream. You want to reduce the heat at this point to a low. We are going to cover the pot or pan and allow this to simmer at low heat for about 10 minutes. I like to add in the bell pepper or hoho last so that slight bite when I'm serving the dish. 1 or 2 more minutes and the coconut sauce should be ready. Finally, stir in the sliced cilantro or coriander, making sure to leave about a tablespoon to use later as garnish. Basically, your sauce should have a thick consistency to it. You don't want it too runny. Something like this. Good. The sauce is still heating. Heat up your grill or jiko under medium heat. Don't set it on high. Chicken pieces are marinated and we're just going to grill them. You want to keep turning the chicken at every 5-minute interval, applying some oil on the surface until they're well done. Once cooked through, arrange the grilled chicken on a plate, spoon over the creamy, delicious coconut sauce. Garnish with chopped bell pepper or hoho and some coriander or dhania, which goes well with rice or cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. Really, you can serve it with almost everything. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. Find the detailed free printable recipe on my website paleolocupcake.com.